Human circulatory system. Human circulatory system consists of a muscular four-chambered heart, a network of blood vessels and blood. Here is the structure of circulatory system. You can see the muscular heart, associated blood vessels and the blood. Heart is mesodermally derived organ situated in the thoracic cavity in between the two lungs, slightly tilted to the left. Here you can see the heart located in between the two lungs inside the thoracic cavity, and the heart is covered by double layered membrane, namely pericardium, enclosing the pericardial fluid. And this pericardial fluid acts as a lubricant for the movement of the heart, reducing friction. Our heart has four chambers. Two upper chambers are called atria and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. Here you can see the two upper chambers, namely right and left atrium, and the lower chambers are called ventricles. And right and left atrium are separated by interatrial septum. Similarly, right ventricle is separated from left ventricle by interventricular septum. Very clear the septums in this diagram. Observe and try to understand. So, a thin-walled interatrial septum separates the right and left atria, whereas a thick-walled interventricular septum separates right and left ventricles. Here you can see the superior and inferior vena cava marked, which carry impure blood towards the right atrium. The atrium and ventricle of the same side are also separated by the atrioventricular septum. However, each of these septa are provided with an opening through which the two chambers of the same side can communicate or connected. Here it is very clear, right atrium opens into right ventricle. Similar manner, left atrium opens into the left ventricle through the small opening. So there is the location of right atrioventricular septum. Similar manner, left side, left atrium is connected or separated by left ventricle by left atrioventricular septum. So on the right side, we can see tricuspid valve. Similar manner, left side it is the bicuspid or mitral valve. Very clear. Observe. The opening between right atrium and right ventricle is guarded by a valve formed of three muscular cusps called tricuspid valve, whereas a bicuspid or mitral valve guards the opening between the left atrium and left ventricle. Here the valves are shown. So, the superior and inferior vena cava, let us discuss. Superior vena cava carry impure blood from the upper parts of the body. Similar manner, inferior vena cava carry impure blood from lower parts of the body and pours into the right atrium. From the right atrium, the impure blood passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the impure blood goes to the lungs via pulmonary artery. Here you should note all arteries carry pure blood except pulmonary artery. So from the lungs, the pure blood is carried by pulmonary vein towards the left atrium, and from the left atrium through the bicuspid valve it passes to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle the pure blood is carried by the aorta and is distributed to different parts of the body. And the opening of pulmonary artery as well as aorta is guarded by semilunar valve, marked there clearly. Observe and try to understand. The opening of the right and left ventricle into the pulmonary artery and the aorta respectively are provided with the semilunar valves. So the valves allow the flow of blood only in one direction. They prevent any backward flow. Here you can see the structure of heart. Very clear. Hope you understood the concept well.